I forgot how how tight this is. It's so cool. Just toyed like a tiger. Just gotta duck my head.
No. There's a little cutout.
So do I have to pull it pretty hard?
Medium hard. That's it.
I got it? Yeah, it's funny like hearing the engine in the back.
Yeah, it's always kind of following.
And it sounds kind of like a... It's funny how it sounds kind of like a Volkswagen. You know, it's got like a little bit of that vibe.
I actually don't know Volkswagen too well. So.
And what year is this?
82.
They only made them for what, 2 years?
2.5, but they're only 2 model years, really.
Yeah. Yeah, clutch feels good.
I just replaced it.
Yeah. It's funny how even like when not driving, you can still kind of feel a good clutch.
Yeah.
It's just like that engagement.
Yeah. Before, actually, I had the original clutch until past 100,000 miles.
Really?
Yeah. It had some hot spots on it though, so it'll be like while going, but I could make it work.
How many miles does this have now?
103 and 716.
I think it's cool that you actually use this car.
Oh yeah, it's my daily driver.
Yeah.
It actually is in better condition than a lot of the cars we worked on.
Yeah.
Because I keep it running. People let them sit, they go back.
Yeah, cars like to drive.
Yeah, that's what they're meant to do. And if you keep it up, it can be a reliable car.
Yeah, absolutely. I just love the door panel is cool.
Yeah. The doors are a pain to work on.
Oh, I bet they are.
Recently, I've had to do a few door replacements because people have messed them up. Aligning these things is such a pain.
Well, and they must weigh a ton too.
They do, yeah. So it's actually really cool, well engineered. There's a torsion bar and a gas strut, so together they lift the door.
Oh. So even if the strut fails, you still got that torsion bar.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And without those, you really appreciate how much work they do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Like my blower motor, you said?
Oh, I was about to ask.
Yeah.
It's a delightful sound.
Yeah.
I'm sure on a long road trip it starts to feel really...
I think that's an easy replacement that I haven't done. But
Well, thank you, Adrian.
you're welcome.
Here's how we get out. Pull up on that, and man, there it goes. What a great view. But you really are down that frame rail kind of reminds me of my C4 Corvette.
Oh, on the outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually that's not the frame, that's just the fiberglass bucket.
Oh, really?
Frames through the center.
Oh.
Perfect.